Hey there, quick review on this big red swiveling bar stool. Assembly is pretty straightforward on this. You want to just kind of look at the directions briefly. They give you all the bolts that you need and it goes together pretty quick. You will want to pay attention when you get around to time to install the swiveling part to make sure you do that correctly, but it's really not too big a deal. If you do want to use this without the swiveling assembly on it so that it's just a fixed seat that doesn't swivel, you can still do that. It still bolts together just fine. You just don't use the pivoting part. The fit and finish on this is nice. It's what I would expect on a shop bar stool. Everything looks really good going all the way around. The seat is also basically what I would expect. It's not going to be your most durable seat that you've ever seen, but I think it'll hold up pretty well. The finished height on this is 29.25 to the top of the stool, and the seat is 14.5 inches in diameter. Having a 29.25 inch seat height, it is going to be a bit high for some things and about right for others. Here I've got a countertop that's at about 40 inches, and this is a really ideal height for that. If I come over here to this workbench, which sits at only 33 inches high to the top, it's a bit high. Still works if I want to work on something or just sit here. But overall, quality of construction, it's exactly what I would expect. It works really well. Swivels nice and freely. I think it'll be an excellent shop stool for me. I will also mention the pad on the seat is nice and firm. It feels like it's gonna hold up good for a long time. It's not like super soft where it's gonna dent and get damaged easily from sitting on it too much.